Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Bitcoin Core, the original Bitcoin client. First, navigate to the official bitcoin.org website to download the software. It is crucial to verify the downloaded file's authenticity using its cryptographic signature to ensure you have the genuine program. This step protects you from malicious versions. Select a secure and accessible location on your computer for the installation files. Once downloaded and verified, proceed with the installation. You will need to select a data directory, ideally on a drive with at least 500 gigabytes of free space, as the blockchain is quite large. The software will then begin synchronizing the entire Bitcoin blockchain. This process can take several days or even weeks, depending on your internet speed and computer's performance. Keep your computer online and connected throughout this initial sync. After synchronization, it is vital to configure your wallet with a strong, unique passphrase. This adds a crucial layer of security to your funds. Next, create multiple backups of your wallet.dat file and store them in secure, offline locations. This protects your Bitcoin in case of hardware failure or loss. For significant amounts, consider using a dedicated hardware wallet for even greater protection. With Bitcoin Core fully set up, you can now send and receive Bitcoin transactions directly from your own full node. This gives you complete control and privacy over your funds. You can also monitor network activity and independently verify all transactions without relying on third parties. By running a full node, you actively contribute to the Bitcoin network's decentralization, security, and overall health. It is a powerful tool for any Bitcoin user.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.